A live look now, the University of Alabama System's coronavirus dashboard. The data still hasn't been updated since Friday at 4:30, but here is what we do know so far. There are 1,368 cases spread across their 3 campuses statewide. 1,201 are at the University of Alabama. Despite that total, the University of Alabama one student says the school's doing a great job handling the situation.
Well, WAAY 31's Max Cohan joins us live. He has more on what students feel is being done right and who they think is to blame for the spike in cases since classes resumed just a couple weeks ago. Max.
Today I spoke to Dominique Satterwhite, a UA grad student who feels the university took a strong approach by testing students before they arrive back on campus, giving them different learning options and putting precautions in the classroom. But she says students aren't taking the coronavirus threat as seriously as they should be.
The university has done their job.
Dominique Satterwhite, a Harvest native, told me the school has put strong masking and distancing precautions in place on campus and is enforcing them. She's also said she's almost been annoyed with the frequency with which she receives emails from the school reminding her about health checkups and testing possibilities.
So I know for a fact they're putting their money where their mouth is and making sure you get tested and making sure there's ways for you to get tested on campus.
But off campus, it seems some students are not following the rules, and that's where she believes the issue sits.
And here in Tuscaloosa, people are having huge house parties with multiple houses next to each other, having like 10 or more people. So that's like 30 or 40 people, but they're technically under the 10 people rule because they're next to each other.
Currently, the university is restricting access to Greek houses and residence halls and prohibiting gatherings both on and off campus. They've also postponed student events outside of classes, and Satterwhite says you can't enter any building without a mask and told me she hasn't seen anyone try. To an extent, she said this level of enforcement can be seen off campus.
Let's say if you go on the strip, usually during the weekends, there's police officers patrolling and they will say you need to put a mask on or you will get, in fact, in trouble. So the supervisors, teachers, police enforcement, and academics are enforcing that rule very highly.
With bars in Tuscaloosa now closed and additional restrictions on students, Satterwhite tells me she hopes students start taking the safety more heavily and start thinking about others. Reporting live in Huntsville, Max Cohan, WAAY 31 News.